So today I am gonna show you how to write a complete blog post in less than 10 minutes. Yes, this is possible thanks to some amazing AI writing tools. I will walk you through every step of the process from coming up with ideas to writing, editing, and getting that final polish so that your article looks like $1,000,000. I will also share some time-saving tips along the way. And for those of you who are curious, we are going to do all of this in Google Docs so that you can see just how easy it is. Let's get started. First things first, we need an idea for our blog post. So let's head over to the website. Now here's what you want to do. You want to come over to their free AI writing assistant. Once you're here, you want to click on this button right here, the one that says Get Ideas. From here, what you're gonna do is enter in your blog post topic. Let's say, for example, we're trying to come up with ideas for a blog post about productivity. So I'm gonna enter that in here and then I'm gonna press enter. Now, if I scroll down, I'm gonna see a bunch of different titles for blog posts related to productivity. So there's a lot of great ones here. Let's go with this one right here, How to Boost Productivity at Work. So we gonna use this title, and now we gonna use this tool to help us write our blog post. Now before we jump into that, I do want to mention that I have created a free Facebook group for those of you who are interested in AI writing tools. There is a link down below where you can join. It's a great community. We're all learning and growing together. So definitely check that out. Also, if you find value in today's video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much. Alright, so let's get back to writing our blog post. So I am going to go back to my Google Doc, and what I am going to do is copy this title right here and paste it in here. So How to Boost Productivity at Work. Now let's head over to the website. From here, I'm going to click on the Write button. This is another one of the free AI writing tools. So once I click on Write, I'm gonna paste in my title right here. And now I'm gonna press enter. Now what I'm gonna do is enter in my keywords. So when I think about how to boost productivity at work, the keywords that I might want to include are tips, strategies, workplace, employee. So I'm gonna include those keywords right here. Now I am gonna press enter, and now the AI writing tool is gonna help me write my blog post. So as you can see, it has generated a full draft of my blog post. And what's really great about this is that if you do choose to use this feature, it does cite all of the sources for you. So you can see all of the research studies that it used to write this blog post. So if I scroll down, you can see that it has cited all of these studies. Now, as you're writing your blog post, you can choose to edit it directly in the tool, or you can choose to copy it and paste it in your Google Doc like I am going to do now. So I'm just going to copy this entire thing and head back over to my Google Doc. I'm going to paste it in here, and now I can make any edits that I want. And this is where you can really use your creativity to make the blog post your own. So if I wanted to make this section heading bigger, I could do that. I could change the font. Maybe I want to add a border. I could even insert images. So let's say I wanted to insert an image here. I could go up to insert and then image, and I could insert an image from the web, or maybe I have an image on my computer. I could upload that image and then I could simply drag it down here to wherever I want it. Now once I've made all of my edits, I can go over to the Tools menu and click on Grammarly, and Grammarly will help you with any grammar or spelling errors. Now I could also go to the Review and Share menu and click on Add Comments, and I could leave comments for myself, or maybe if I were collaborating with others, they could leave comments as well. The next thing I want to show you is how you can use the free AI writing assistant to help you polish your writing. So once you finish your blog post, you can copy it and paste it in here. And this is where you want to click on Polish. This is going to help you with things like clarity, conciseness, and tone. So let's take a look at the before and after. Here is the before, here is the after. As you can see, it has polished the writing and it has made it much better. So if you want to learn more about how to use AI writing tools to help you write better content, be sure to check out the resources. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.